Air France 23 Golf Heavy, contact SoCal departure.
We SoCal departure, Air France 23 Golf Heavy, right. SoCal departure, good, 7 Air France 23 Golf Heavy, passing 2,000 feet, climbing 5,000 feet.
American 513, contact SoCal departure.
SoCal, American 513.
France 23 Golf Heavy, SoCal, good afternoon, radar contact, climb via, except maintain 12,000.
We climb via and except maintain 5,000, France 23 Golf Heavy.
Air France 23 Golf Heavy, climb via, except maintain 12,000.
1 to 12,000, sorry, Air France 23 Golf Heavy.
SoCal, American 513 is out of 2 for 5. And American 513 is out of 2.2 for 5,000.
American 513. Air France 23 Golf, turn right heading 250, immediately, turn right heading 250.
250 Air France, right 250 Air France 23 Golf Heavy.
Capital Air American 513, turn left heading 180 immediately.
Left turn 180 American 513.
American 513, it's able, amend your altitude, maintain 4,000.
4,000 American 513.
Air France 23 Golf Heavy, heading 250, maintain 12,000. I will call your turn.
Perfect, we maintain heading 250 and we climb 1,000 feet, Air France 23 Golf Heavy.
American 513, thank you for that. Turn right now, heading 200, a little tight on the 777 ahead of you now. I just need to get out of the way. The other 777 off the right.
Okay, right turn 200 now for American 513.
American 513, climb and maintain 12,000.
12,000 American 513.
Air France 23 Golf Heavy, turn left heading 090.
Left heading 090, Air France 23 Golf Heavy.
Air France 23 Golf Heavy, proceed direct Clipper.
We proceed direct to Clipper, Air France 23 Golf Heavy.
Air France 23 Golf Heavy, climb and maintain 15,000.
We climb and maintain 15,000, Air France 23 Golf Heavy.
Air France 23 Golf Heavy, possible flight by deviation, advise ready to copy phone number.
Phone number, Air France 23 Golf Heavy.
Air France 23 Golf Heavy, when you are able, contact SoCal Tracon.
Air France 23 Golf Heavy.
Air France 23 Golf Heavy, readback is correct. Contact LA Center 125.27, get it?
125.27, Air France 23 Golf Heavy. Have a good day.